Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a truly inspiring story to share with you. The history of Bilal ibn Rabah, may Allah be pleased with him. A devoted companion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Bilal's life journey is a testament to his unwavering faith and dedication. So let's dive into the remarkable life of Bilal, who was known as the first muezzin of Islam. Bilal ibn Rabah was born into slavery in Mecca in the late 6th century. Despite the harsh circumstances of his upbringing, he was known for his kindness and humility. Bilal's life took a transformative turn when he encountered the teachings of Islam. Captivated by the message of monotheism, he embraced Islam under the persecution of his owner. His unwavering faith and patience in the face of adversity serve as an example for all believers. Bilal's conversion brought upon him unimaginable trials. His owner, Umayyah ibn Khalaf, subjected him to severe torture, including placing heavy stones on his chest in an attempt to force him to renounce his faith. However, Bilal's steadfastness only grew stronger. He would chant the words Ahad, Ahad, one God, even in the midst of his suffering. When the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, announced the migration to Medina, Bilal saw an opportunity for a fresh start. He was among the first to emigrate, leaving behind the oppression of Mecca. In Medina, he found an inclusive community that valued him for his faith rather than his social status. The Prophet's respect and love for Bilal were evident, making Bilal's journey of faith even more remarkable. One of the most significant chapters in Bilal's life was when he became the first muezzin of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, recognized Bilal's melodious voice and deep devotion, appointing him as the one to call the faithful to prayer. Bilal's iconic call to prayer would reverberate through history, marking the beginning of Islam's global presence. Bilal ibn Rabah continued to be an exemplar of faith and dedication until his passing. His contributions extended beyond his lifetime, as his story has inspired generations of Muslims to stand firm in the face of adversity. His legacy serves as a reminder that faith transcends social divisions and that true devotion is not bound by worldly circumstances. And there you have it, the captivating history of Bilal ibn Rabah. May Allah be pleased with him. His journey from slavery to becoming an iconic figure in Islamic history is a source of inspiration for all believers.